So guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you've not done that. Like, share, and also make your comments. Also join the YouTube membership. Going to be going live with you guys every week. We'll be doing weekly live, and we'll also be doing full in-depth trade breakdown. So if you are interested in learning how to trade Euro JPY, join the membership for more updates. Let's zoom it out on our daily time frame. You will see that our trend on Euro JPY is literally on an uptrend move, right? We are seeing market is going bullish, but on this our current trend, we are trending to the downside. Now this is it what market is currently doing. Currently on our current trend, full trend is an uptrend move. Our current trend is downtrend move. So we add this drop, and there is a pullback. Here is a drop again, which is our lower low. The pullback is currently playing out, and then we'll be expecting another drop again on Euro JPY. So once this market plays out, finish, we're expecting another drop again, possibly from this our level, or might likely push up a little bit, then drop. Above all, our forecast for this week on JPY be 7.